Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the trending CapCut photo effect tutorial. And here you need to prepare 20 photos and import it to CapCut like this. I've already import mine, and then you can just go to audio and then just import the sound that you want to use. So in this case, I'm gonna just use the songs from CapCut. So I'm going to add for example this audio right here, and click on the audio and then choose match cut, and then here click on the auto generate and then choose the beat too. So you can just click on the check icon, and then after that you can just set the duration of each photo of to the beat or align with the yellow right here. So I'm going to split and then delete, and then after that for the next photos I'm going to just do the same like this. Click on the photo and split, delete, and I'm going to get back to you when I'm done with this. Okay, so I've already match cut off all of the clips so that it align with the beats, and then after that you just need to click on the transitions and then choose camera and select the pull in, and then here apply it to all clips and then click on the check icon, and after that export the video. Okay, so after it's done, just click on a new project and import the video that you saved before. Oops. Okay, so this one's right here, and then after that click on the clips and swipe at the bottom until you find the motion blur, and then here set the blur into 60, and then set the blend into around 30. Okay, after that click on the check icon, and now it's applying the motion blur. Just wait until it finish, and now the motion blur has been applied, and here is the final result for the trending photo edit. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.